How's it going, everyone? Today we got the Zoid folding utility knife. Quite interesting packaging that they have for this, but let's go ahead and take it apart, and hopefully we don't need an X-Acto knife to get it apart. So let's go ahead and see here. Nope, that was pretty easy, thankfully. And then we do have right here the knife, how it just folds out right here. And you notice right out of the package, it doesn't have a blade on it, but that's okay because we do have the blades inside. So if you look at it right from this angle right here, and we just go ahead and lift that piece right up here, we've got a little area that stores the blade. So this is super handy. So we'll take our original blade out, and then if you have extra blades that you want to store in here, you can do so. I don't know how many exactly can hold, maybe one or two of them in there, but we'll go ahead and close that up, and let's go ahead and install our blade right here. So we got a little button right here that we press. So we'll go ahead and insert it here a little bit, go ahead and press the button down, and there we go. You can hear that snap, locks into place very, very nicely, and that's nice and strong in there. So it's a pretty good feel to it. I'm not sure the exact material. I think this is probably really hard plastic, or it could be aluminum metal. Actually, maybe it is aluminum metal, my bad. But we'll go ahead and we'll press that down right there. And that folds in very, very securely, locks into place, doesn't like wiggle or anything like that. We do have the belt clip on there, which is super, super strong. If we go ahead and press that, and then we can lift it back out just like that again. Let's try a one-handed operation. This will be a first try one-handed operation. Okay, so it does work. It just gets a little bit of getting used to. I think I wasn't pressing the button fully down when I tried it, but definitely I like the feel of this one right here. I like the grip. I also like this little angle piece right here. I feel like that you put your finger into and it gives you a little bit more leverage. So that's different from a lot of the other different folding X-Acto knives that you get. So very, very nice. I do really, really like the feel of this one. I like the quality of this one. I think this is going to be my go-to folding X-Acto knife.